This is apartment 25722. This is a 1-bedroom with an upgraded kitchen. This is the closet here, the coat closet. All right. This is the living room. As you can see, a lot of space. The living room leads off to the balcony. Beautiful view. Over here is the dining room. The kitchen has 2 entrances. We're gonna go through this one here. The door off to the right is the maintenance closet. That pretty much stays locked. Right here is your laundry room. And here's the door that you can close to it. Here is a huge window right here. This is the upgraded kitchen, stainless steel appliances, granite countertops, backsplash, microwave, extra deep sink with a sprayer. Lots of cabinet space. As we head to the back, you have the bathroom on the left. Linen closet to the right. Bedroom. This is a regular size closet. And then this is the walk-in closet.